Inappropriate comments that have been made to people posts has been a big issue inside of Instagram. But Instagram has a way for you to actually resolve that. They actually have a feature called hidden words. So let's take a look at it and see how we can actually use this feature, hidden words, to automatically remove comments from off of your Instagram post. Inappropriate comments has been something that Instagram has been experiencing for years. So to combat this, they actually created a feature called hidden words. In order to get to this feature, you need to go to your profile page inside of Instagram. So if you're not there already, all you need to do is press the avatar button of your Instagram icon down on the bottom right hand corner, and it'll bring you to your profile page. Once you're to the profile page, we need to get to the settings page. And you can actually access the setting page by going to the three bars at the top, which some people normally refer to as a hamburger, but going to the three bars at the top of the page, which actually will bring up another menu, which actually will have at the top the option of settings and privacies. That's what we want to do, is go to setting and privacy. Once in setting and privacy, this whole screen has changed. Just a week ago, it was actually different, but Instagram pushed the update out. Now the whole screen changed. So they actually given us more control on a couple of things that I'll get into later that seems to be pretty good for us as business owners and giving you more control of what's going on with your Instagram account. But for right now, we want to actually get to the hidden words feature. So we want to scroll all the way down until you actually see the option that says hidden words. Once you click on that, it will actually come up and it'll give you the options that you actually can select for the hidden words feature. Now, right now, Instagram automatically by default actually has the hide comments option enabled. So they're already filtering out certain words that they actually have on their list from showing up on your comments. Now, I don't actually know what those words are yet, and that's actually my goal, to actually figure out what those words are that they actually comment in. It might not just be words, it can actually be emojis too. But they also have an option that you can do more filtering too by using the advanced comment filtering. Now, using advanced comment filtering will actually expand the list to a bigger word list that they have, which once again, I'm not sure what words that are, but it's my goal to try to figure out what that is. But it will actually reduce more of the spam or inappropriate comments that might be being posted to your comments getting actually added to your posting. Now, one thing to actually mention though, and this is actually important, that when a comment is being hidden, it's actually being hidden from you and it's being hidden from others, but it's not hidden by the person that actually posted the inappropriate comment or their friends. And that's actually important to know. So their friends, if they're also accessing your business site, will also see the inappropriate comment. And actually, even though the inappropriate comment is hidden, it still will show in your comment count. Just something just to remember. So we want to come down to where it actually says manage custom words and phrases. So this is what we want to actually go to actually manage the phrase list. Now, I've actually been here already earlier because I actually put in some of the words from previous that I showed you that I was actually getting spam with. So when I actually go tap to view, I actually see already I actually have two phrases. I actually have promoted on and send pic to. Now, the great thing about this is that this word list will not only look for these words, but it also will look for misspelling of these words too. So it's actually also catch if they said send pic to along with send pics to. So both of those actually be caught. All right, if you hit back on that, and then that's the current words I actually have in there. I can expand on that to actually put emojis or other different things. But now that we actually configured that, we actually want to turn on a setting that will automatically hide any comments that's actually contained in this word list. So right under that, the manage custom words and phrases, you see the hide comments. You want to go ahead and turn that one on. And that will actually go ahead and hide any comments with those certain words in it. I will also recommend doing the same by turning on the hide message requests. So if any message requests that's coming to you that also have those words on in it, it will also go ahead and automatically hide those from you too. Now, as your business, you need to probably evaluate, is this something you want to turn on or not? I do recommend hide comments because as a business, I don't think that you will ever get any true person that's trying to contact your business that's going to tell you to send pick here or promote on. Normally, if they're going to try to contact you, they're going to probably either hit you directly with a message, probably even call you directly, or visit your site, your business. But there may be a chance that somebody legit may send you a message that might contain those words. So with that one, you might want to feel it. If you've been getting spam with message requests with those type of messages in it, you might want to enable it. If you haven't been getting spam with that, you might just leave it on, and you never know, you might actually get somebody in. But that's it. Once we go ahead back, and you can go back, and it's now activated. So any post from this time that actually have those comments in it will automatically be hidden for me. So just thought it was a great feature to help you business owners, because you got enough to worry about than going around and trying to manually remove all these inappropriate comments from your posts.